printed it. And this is the first print, and I have to say that I am so happy with the way this came out. I am so impressed. It is not perfect. There is still a little bit of Z-banding happening, but it's nothing major, and it's something that I will deal with in the next upgrade series. However, honestly speaking, I was stoked that I got it to work. After about, I think it took me about 2 or 3 weeks to get it into the state because I couldn't find the right parts. I had to